Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Amazon account temporarily locked. All right, so let's begin with the video. Since it's a temporary restriction, the first thing you should do is wait for about 24 to 48 hours. In many cases, the account lock is automatically removed after this time, allowing you to log in again without taking any further steps. However, if the problem continues, you'll need to contact Amazon support for assistance. To do this, open your browser and go to Google. Then search for Amazon Customer Service. Click on the option that says Contact Customer Service. Once you reach the Help section, you will see a variety of topics available to guide you. From these options, you need to select Help with Signing In. This section is specifically designed to assist users who are having trouble accessing their accounts. After clicking on this option, you will be presented with several related issues to choose from. These may include options like, I forgot my password isn't working, or my account is on hold, among others. You should select the option that best matches the problem you are facing. Once you choose the relevant issue, Amazon will provide you with an explanation of the problem along with a link to help you recover or regain access to your account. Follow the instructions given on that page carefully to try and resolve your issue. If, after following these steps, your problem is still not fixed, you can contact Amazon Customer Service for further assistance. Scroll to the bottom of the page to find the contact number provided by Amazon. You can call this number to connect with a live customer support representative who will help you resolve your issue. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Amazon account temporarily locked. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.